Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I will teach you necessary tips and tricks so that our learners can understand better and can speak fluent anywhere, anytime, any place. My dear learners, you should practice in this way and you can follow my tips and tricks. So I will share with you 4 necessary tips and tricks. So let's go start it. Number 1, listening. Actually, my dear learners, at first every student or every learners should practice listening because listening is most powerful for English learning journey. Actually, my dear audience, that's why I will tell you, you will practice listening. My dear learners, tips number 2, you have to practice repeat and repeat. After listening, every student, every learner should practice repeat. Without repeat, no one can learn good English. I think personally, I will tell you that you practice every single moment, every single day, repeat after listening. My dear learners, tips number 3, reading. Every student or every learners, again and again, every single day, have to read and read. Reading is most powerful for learning English. If you can practice reading every single moment, every single day, so you can understand, you can learn better English, good English. My dear learners, number 4, must be most important thing is writing. Every student should practice writing and writing. Every student, every learner should practice writing. No one can better English without writing. So every time should practice writing and writing. My dear students, I think without 4 tips, no one can learn good English. Actually, that's why I want to say that you will follow my tips, and if you can follow these rules, so you can speak fluent in 1 month, I think, my dear learners. So I hope you can practice in this way and you can learn better English and you can speak fluently in 1 month. So no more today. See you soon.